This video is on functional group priorities. So what happens if you have multiple functional groups and you have to name the compound? Well, as long as we have priorities, we know what to keep as our suffix and what we need to add as a substituent. The following is just a list of highest priority to lowest priority functional groups. You may notice that some we have already encountered before, such as amino, alkoxy, and hydroxy, and even cyano, whilst others, such as the ketones and the aldehydes, we refer to as oxo. This actually is pretty uncommon because most of the time if you have an aldehyde or a ketone and another functional group, the compound has probably been given another name. But if you're unaware of it, oxo is just fine. I would also like to point out the nitro group. You will notice that it is always a substituent because it is the lowest priority. So if it has a nitro group, the nitro comes first. Either way, just be aware that even if we have this list of functional group priorities, there will be moments where you will get conflicts, at which point you're better off just drawing the structure and pointing at it.